how much should you actually spend on a sausage stuffer? Because people seem happy buying the cheap ones but returning the expensive ones. It's a bit interesting. Product number 1, Aheel Electric Meat Grinder. First up is the Aheel Electric Meat Grinder. Priced at $61.99, this caught my eye with its 3200W max power. If you want a heavy-duty option that makes sausage stuffing a breeze, this is worth a serious look. The 3 sausage stuffer tubes allow you to easily whip up various sausages like bratwurst or chorizo. Plus, it's made of food-grade stainless steel, so you know you're getting quality and safety. With 1,300 reviews and a 4.5-star rating, it seems people are loving it. Now, some users reported that cleaning can be a hassle since you can't put the parts in the dishwasher. Here's the thing though, if you don't mind a bit of hand washing, the performance and output are definitely worth it. This is perfect for you if you're serious about sausage making and want a reliable tool. Skip this one if you only need something for occasional use, as it might be overkill for you. Product number 2, In-No-Moon Sausage Stuffer Kit. Next up is the In-No-Moon Sausage Stuffer Kit, coming in at just $19.99. What grabbed my attention was how it transforms your KitchenAid into a sausage stuffing machine. If you're looking for a budget-friendly option, this is worth a serious look. This kit includes 3 durable stainless steel stuffing tubes, which are way better than flimsy plastic ones. The sizes range from small to large, making it versatile for any sausage type you want to create. Honestly, the special retainer ring fits perfectly with your KitchenAid's food grinder attachment, ensuring no meat escapes during stuffing. With a 4.6-star rating from over 1,000 reviews, it seems to be a hit. However, some users mentioned that the tubes could be a bit tricky to clean. But here's the deal. If you're using it frequently, the convenience and price make it a solid purchase. This is perfect for you if you have a KitchenAid mixer and want to make sausages without the big investments. Skip this one if you need a standalone machine, as it's specifically designed for KitchenAid users. Product number 3, GVODE Metal Meat Grinder Attachment. Coming in next is the GVODE Metal Meat Grinder Attachment, priced at $36.99. The first thing that caught my eye was its all-metal construction, which feels solid and durable. If you're looking for a long-lasting attachment for your KitchenAid, this is worth a serious look. This attachment not only grinds meat, but also comes with 3 sausage stuffer tubes. It's easy to set up and operate and can handle about 2 pounds of meat in just 1 minute. That's a huge time saver if you're prepping for a large family gathering. Plus, it's made from food-grade materials, ensuring what you make is safe to eat. With a solid rating of 4.4 stars from over 2,700 reviews, the feedback speaks volumes. That said, some users found it a bit heavy to lift and maneuver. But honestly, if you want a sturdy attachment that can handle serious volumes, that weight might be a sign of its quality. This is perfect for you if you love cooking and want a reliable attachment for your KitchenAid. Skip this one if you prefer a lighter, more portable option. Product number 4, Master FENG Sausage Stuffer. Now let's talk about the Master FENG Sausage Stuffer, available for $59.99. The first thing I noticed was its sleek stainless steel design. If you're looking for a simple yet efficient sausage-making tool, this is worth a serious look. With a capacity of 2.5 pounds and multiple stuffing tubes, this vertical stuffer makes the sausage filling process smooth and easy. Plus, cleanup is a breeze due to its stainless steel construction. It's rated 4.4 stars from 1,400 reviews, proving it's a popular choice. However, some customers pointed out that it can be a bit cumbersome to store due to its size. Here's the thing though, if you're serious about making sausages, the efficiency might outweigh the storage concerns. This is perfect for you if you want a straightforward, effective sausage stuffer. Skip this one if you have limited space in your kitchen. Product number 5, Hakka 7LB/3L Sausage Stuffer. Lastly, we have the Hakka 7LB/3L Sausage Stuffer, priced at $129.99. The first thing that caught my attention was its professional-grade build. If you're planning to make a lot of sausages, this is worth a serious look. This stuffer features a 2-speed system, allowing you to adjust the filling speed based on your needs. Plus, it's made entirely from stainless steel, ensuring it's both durable and easy to clean. With an impressive 4.8-star rating from 3,600 reviews, it's definitely a favorite. On the downside, some users mentioned it's quite heavy and might be a bit bulky for home kitchens. But honestly, if you're serious about sausage making and want a tool that can keep up with your passion, this weight is a sign of its sturdiness. This is perfect for you if you're a home chef looking to produce large batches of sausages. Skip this one if you need something lightweight and compact. So there you have it, the top 5 sausage stuffers. The Aheel electric grinder is fantastic for heavy-duty use. The InnoMoon is a great budget-friendly option. The GVODE offers durability. The Master FENG is straightforward, and the Hakka is perfect for serious sausage makers. Choose what fits your needs best.